ulima question yewe vare ion ikumanea from ion ore agere, and then leswao la ion gi Fe, then leswao la ion ore gi Fe2O3 maswao wow o ya ka bolelo ya physical science re a bitša di chemical formulas ne. So eba kere chemical formulas ba se ka utsho sa ba ka selo sa ba be ka masoso wana kore ba ka re fe the chemical formula of ion wa ngwala Fe there, eba ka re ion o ngwala Fe2O3 1 dwisisa kere yes. Bjaje ba re wena o ena le a sample yao ya iron ore o ka khona o performa di chemical reactions or do khona o khumana iron at the end agere o ena le a sample of iron ore wa khona or o performa di chemical reactions or do khumane iron at the end. Bjaje ba re fa a chemical equation of a reaction that can occur kinyaga uncha ion from iron ore agere nabile bari Garia one of those kind of reactions bashimisije 160 grams impure sample of iron ore eba kere impure sample barla lorgene vanale a sample yeloro I contain iron ore knows, hence why they say it is impure agere lowana when you are impure it means again it is not just your body but una lidi chila lwena agere mara onukyo taba you become the pure substance agere so erker impure substance rebaga that substance yeloro e canal di chila e canal lidi chemicals yeloro are interested garage na bila rinya go dishumisa gara chemical reaction ya borena, and then very garia chemical reaction ye ba produce 63 cubic decimeters of carbon dioxide at STP. Cubic decimeters ki DM3 ya we bona more if you are confused, that is cubic decimeters. So ba produce this amount of carbon dioxide at STP. The moment ba ko bojaga STP and unale gas mo agere you know or again you know or ogashimisa that formula ya V is equals to N multiplied by Vm, and then that Vm represented the molar gas volume wa izeba 22.4, and ogashimisa liela ya Avogadro's law ya organ ya V1 over N1 is equals to V2 over N2 as long as if that gas is produced at STP agere over it is used at STP you are allowed to use those chemical formulas, but if it is not at STP osgaba wa shumisa these formulas, and these formulas only shumisa only for the gas osgali shumisa for other phases because you will be wrong by doing that. Okay, 1.1 more bereke answer or what is a mole. I don't think for this one I have to explain, you will see the definition there. Then ginyaga level 1.2. 1.2 more banyaga was again the number of molecules of carbon dioxide that were produced at STP. Already renali the volume again very feel volume ya carbon dioxide that was produced at STP, and we want to know the number of molecules again. And ever carry the number of molecules ababi ga the number of moles. There's a difference between the number of molecules and the number of moles ager maronyogo bona nkare calculator maybe oga kumana an idea of what is the difference ager mara if you fail to understand, I will do a detailed video to explain the difference between the two ager mowe gilebela the original volume gar okay, which means organ ngashumisa the molar gas formula ager yela ya V is equals to N multiplied by Vm galbagalor already ginale volume gizeba the molar gas volume, and I'm only looking for what? I'm only looking for the number of moles. Once kumana the number of moles, I can be able to find the number of molecules ager so ngaye wana mo gaitria we level. And number one wala formula, sometimes wa famaraga for the formula ager number one wala formula, and then wakona substitute and then molar ka divide mathakuru ka mokana ona ka 63, and then ka khumana jeke le khumana o ka kwela pele ka simplification yaga, which is mathematics, and then ka fela jalo re khumana the number of moles ya carbon dioxide that were produced. Dagere le lebelele. More cannot divide abi abager. Re cannot divide abi abi. Or re fela jere khumana n yemi ka po yona. So that's why I can divide abi abi. Ager. So ka fela jalo re khumana the number of moles of carbon dioxide e le bokae 2,8125. And then o khongwala final answer ya go gore o ka no ngwala ka mokgo ke ngwa dogo no re ba bontsho ra bona o zibatla ba ja wa understand or rulie ya enimo. Ager. So mole of carbon dioxide produced. Ager. Gemogan our feja ager. Okay, feja usanta of kumana the number of molecules. Bangwa ba re kumana the number of moles ba gomana mo. Nara ba fa 3 rabuda. Gemoga max raba fa 3 rabuda. Our feja, you have to get this 5 marks. Utsonda ukumanele the number of molecules, because question here inyaga the number of molecules, not the number of moles, but the number of molecules. There's a difference. So only that formula ngaye we ushimisa Avogadro's number to get the number of moles and the number of molecules. Give register or get the number of molecules. NA represent Avogadro's number, and then capital letter NA gaulimu on that fraction give the number of molecules, and then the calculations kumana the number of molecules to carbon dioxide and kefeja gia indicate or get the number of molecules ya nagar ginya ba convince abe mthu wala mo zibata bajawe ager luena uliega mkhwano bakono bonore ba mururila bozungwana yo. Another question ya latela ergin calculate the maximum number of moles cha ion that will be formed. And ngisikada kumana muthu akiri n is equals to m over molar mass. I ashumisa the mass ya the impure substance akiri the mass of ion redofa bana good. So shumisa ini ushumisa the stoichiometric coefficients or ukono ukumana the number of moles ja ion that will be produced. As you can see, I'm using the ratio between carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide and ion, or galba galarginal the number of moles of carbon dioxide, or get the number of moles of ion. Again, I'm using the information I have to find the information that they are looking for. So why bon la kona get about la kona shumisa di ratio. If alles zebi arrays gidono la video da mboja la video yengu. Karon yege nkronya ga focus all ma answer the question issue. And this sager. And ratio yeo 3:2 yeo gi kumani uduma the coefficients, the stoichiometric coefficients ja the substances jabrena uluma chemical equation. Oga lebelela nomoro ibeo before carbon dioxide moluma chemical equation get 3. Yewo before ion moluma chemical equation get true. So that is why you have 3 under carbon dioxide and you have 2 under ion. Again, then guagi gichedeo 2,8125 gijeri from the number of moles ja carbon dioxide. Again, then ginyagana the number of moles ja ion. That is why nkebia x under the number of moles ja ion, and then I calculate then cross multiply galikuman. Again, whenever Jerry calculated the percentage purity of the ion or sample used. Again, that sample I clean again. Inale ikanali impurities again. I clean I see tabe again. So ro calculator or how pure is it, like good, like ro lebella again, what is the percentage of it that is iron ore, which is the pure substance yellow interested in this question. So formula yona nga yeo, okay, nkala boncha information e re bona yo mo lenyo e bona formula. Percentage purity is equals to mass of pure substance over mass of impure substance multiplied by 100. I don't know why nke camera that 100, but anyways, ninga war guys. Okay, so already bari feel the mass of the impure substance again. Mara arena the mass of the pure substance. So meaning urgen retonderi kumane that mass. And now we know that impure substance ayu yo reaction kamuganayo, that 160 ayu yo reaction kamuganayo na galbagala again. The only thing that can react there ge iron ore again, the only part that can react ge iron ore. So meaning again renyaga ukuma naore, what is the mass of iron ore fele? That will be the mass of the pure substance again. Then ganyaga according to the ratios galebela again ganyaga the number of moles of iron ore jelur di react because that is the only part good iron ore giona fela ya react from that impure substance ne. So that is why kinyaga na the number of moles ja iron ore that reacted or get the fella jenki kumana lorken, what is the mass of it ye lor idile e reaction table, and this is then ganyaga gakumana lorge 1,875 mole mara na moge begilile poso nyana ugar gegidile poso galabagala the number of moles of carbon dioxide ibe itsondeke babu ga ibe itsondeke ba 2,8125 betheke bayizige na gangwala the number of moles ja iron uluma the number of moles ja ntoni ja carbon dioxide. Yeah, so it was supposed to be what it was supposed to be 2,8125. That is why like banange cancel them all. And then yeah, the more can calculate. Gakumana lurgini the number of moles the iron ore gabuga 0,9375, and I got to round that off in case you give it to the final answer because it affects your answer. The more you round off is the more your answer is going to be reduced or increase more, and at the end of the day you are not getting the accurate answer. So that is why I can't round it off too much until I get to the final answer. Or for that question the answer your question 1.2 go ishumisaga 1.3, I don't round off. I don't use rounded off answers. Okay, rounder off. Then anamola valorge kumane the mass ya in the mass ya iron ore yellow react chile, and then gaishimisa unyaga the percentage purity, then gakuma lorgen 93.75%. Then that's all guys. Tell me if you want more of Khelobedu version of explaining physical science. Danko.